Hello IG Garage. If you're seeing the P0022 code on your dashboard, your car's engine control module has detected a problem with your camshaft position sensor. This can lead to engine performance issues, poor fuel economy, or even misfires. But don't worry, we'll break down exactly what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how you can fix it. Stick around to find out more. So what does the P0022 code mean? This code refers to a problem with your camshaft position sensor, a circuit on bank 2. It indicates the sensor signal is too low or delayed, affecting engine timing. The camshaft position sensor helps regulate the engine's timing for fuel injection and ignition. When the signal is out of sync or weak, it can lead to poor engine performance. What causes the P0022 code? Faulty camshaft position sensor. The most common cause is a malfunction in the sensor itself. Sensors can wear out or get contaminated by dirt or oil. Wiring issues. Damaged wires or loose connections can prevent the sensor from sending the correct signal. Corrosion or frayed wires are typical culprits. Timing chain or belt problems can cause misalignment, affecting the sensor's reading. Low oil pressure can affect the camshaft position sensor. If oil pressure is too low, it could affect the sensor's operation. Faulty engine control module. In rare cases, the ECM may misinterpret the sensor's readings. Where is the camshaft position sensor located? The camshaft position sensor is typically located on the side of the engine, near the camshaft. Bank 2 is the side opposite to cylinder number 1. In V6 or V8 engines, bank 2 has cylinders 2, 4, 6, etc. The sensor is often on the timing cover or near the camshaft gear. It might also be near the cylinder head. Check your owner's manual or repair guides for specifics. How to fix the P0022 code. Check the wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Clean or replace any corroded connectors. Test the sensor with a multimeter for abnormal readings. Replace the camshaft position sensor if faulty. Check the timing belt or chain for misalignment. Ensure proper oil pressure and level. Clear the code with an OBD2 scanner and test drive the vehicle. That's all you need to know about the P0022 code and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.